Animated videos outrank, outengage, and outsell any other form of on-page content, and in just a few moments, I'll share how you can have enticing, captivating, and audience-addicting videos on your page in just a few minutes. So, whether you're looking to captivate your audience, boost your brand awareness, leave a lasting impression, or simply stand out from the crowd, animated video is what you need to do just that. But animated video is time-consuming, expensive, and requires you to have amazing creative design skills, right? A quick Google search for an animated explainer video pulls up results like this, being the average. Even on Fiverr, which used to be cheap, the best you'll get for your $5 is a few seconds of video using doggy-old characters and budget box audio. That was until now. Introducing VidTune 2.0. The revolutionary animated video creator that makes attention-grabbing, high-converting animated videos in any niche in just a few minutes, without requiring hours of technical experience or training, without having to buy massively expensive software, without shelling out hundreds or thousands of dollars getting videos created by money-sucking so-called professionals, or investing countless hours patiently telling them what you want, only to be disappointed and frustrated with the results. VidTune 2.0's user-friendly display makes video creation a breeze. Everything is available and at your fingertips, from dragging and dropping in a new background, GIF image, to changing an animation or characters entirely. Just click the settings, choose your options, and it's done. VidTune 2.0 comes fully loaded with everything you need to make stunning videos in a snap. You'll get 80 professionally designed characters to choose from, with 20 eye-popping animations for each of them. Upload your own background images or use our stunning library of unlimited GIFs, images, or icons to change the look and feel of your videos and really make them pop. And for that extra sizzle, select from our music library with over 200 modern royalty-free tracks you can use as many times as you like without any added fees. VidTune 2.0 makes your videos look great, fast. Adding zoom panning or adding a text changing the font, color, and size, dragging and dropping them exactly where you like, and even recording audio directly into the videos themselves. And if you don't want to use your own voice, that's fine too. Simply use any of the realistic text-to-speech voices from Microsoft and Google, making adding voiceovers as easy as copying and pasting in some text. Look below to watch the demo video, showing all the features you'll have at your fingertips with this powerful animation tool. VidTune 2.0 is your shortcut to a lifetime of professional animated videos for a fraction of what it would normally cost you to have a single video made. Plus, for a limited time, we'll bump your regular license to commercial at no extra charge, so you can be the one accepting those high-end fees, selling to as many clients as you can handle. There are no ongoing fees for you, so after this small investment, everything you create with VidTune 2.0 is pure profit. And to make today's decision even easier, we'll also include a 30-day money-back guarantee. Try it for yourself, and if you're not happy with it for any reason, let us know and we'll refund your money. We'll even let you keep all the videos you made or even sold in those 30 days. No hard feelings. However, I have to warn you, there's a catch on securing your copy of VidTune 2.0 today. We're only keeping the low price you see available for a limited time. Since the software opens up a lot of new opportunities to make high-value animated and explainer videos fast for any niche, we want to get this in the hands of action takers. So if you still see the buy button below, I recommend clicking it right now to secure your copy before it's too late. Once again, I'm extremely excited for you to jump in and get started. Click the button now, and I'll see you inside.